Walnut oil equipment, according to different processing technology, mainly divided into two categories. A. Cold-pressed walnut oil production line hydraulic press. Hot pressing walnut oil production line screw press, but at present domestic use hydraulic oil press main cold pressing. Cold pressing method hydraulic oil press in less than 60 degrees Celsius processing production environment. These walnut oil nutrients will not be destroyed. More regional flavor. Therefore, the composition and main process of the whole set of equipment of walnut oil cold press oil press are cold pressing process of walnut oil press. The technological process is mainly divided into pressing and refining. The refining equipment is suitable for medium and large oil plants due to its high cost, and the quality of walnut oil is good, which is not necessary for small oil pressing plants. Press section process, walnut shell, walnut kernel, hydraulic oil press, air filtration, walnut wool oil. Refining process, walnut oil dephosphorylation and deacidification, vacuum drying, decolorization, deodorization, finished walnut oil. 冷榨核桃油成套设备组成，去壳机、清点筛液压榨油机、过滤机、真空过滤机、板框过滤机、离心过滤机等精炼设备，非必备。冷榨核桃油成套设备组成。去壳机、清点筛液压榨油机、过滤机、真空过滤机、板框过滤机、离心过滤机等精炼设备，非必备。冷榨核桃油成套设备组成。去壳机、清点筛液压榨油机、过滤机、真空过滤机、板框过滤机、离心过滤机等精炼设备，非必备。冷榨核桃油成套设备组成。去壳机、清点筛液压榨油机、过滤机、真空过滤机、板框过滤机、离心过滤机等精炼设备，非必备。冷榨核桃油成套设备组成。去壳